Hi everyone, it's me Joe, and today I'm bringing you a Christina Aguilera Bionic inspired transformation. Now this is obviously one of my favourite albums ever. I live for Bionic, it's so great. So I'm going to be starting off actually by lightening my eyebrows. Now my eyebrows actually are in a similar position to Christina's, but they are darker. So what I've really done is I've started to cut the crease out of the eye and kind of elevate that kind of lid. So it's similar to what I see in the image. I've also gone around the eye because what I tend to do is I use the way that light hits to rotate the features round almost, because we have a different eye shape. So what I'm doing is I'm just building up the intensity and the blend of that eye and going back in to the brows now with a lighter colour. Once we kind of like white them out, they're easier to play with. So putting a primer into the brows, if you will. Now this hair, I have to shout out MokLox. It is about $3,000, I think this one, $3,000. They're the best wig manufacturer, they're brilliant. And they made me quite a few. So I'm now going into the face and we're going to begin to actually sculpt out. Now I'm super kind of like patchy skin. I'm one of those people that has olivey bits, freckly bits, light bits. So I'm using a white really to do a lot of the work for me because it can contrast with my natural skin tone and create an illusion. So I'm using actually some products by MAC. It's a mixture of actually the full coverage, and then I'm just blending it into my skin as is, because then you can actually use the natural colour as a highlighting contrast. So now I'm going into the lower face and I'm starting to blur out, but I'm leaving those gaps in where you would normally contour just to make sure it changes the facial structure but doesn't look like a drawn on picture. That's really important to point out with my transformations. These are things that I want people to look at, take some technique out of. It's not just there to be a viral meme. It's something that is quite clever. So I'm going into the lips with some gorgeous liquid lipstick by Urban Decay. Now, I was really happy with the way this looked in the actual video because I thought it was going to come out a little bit pink, but I'll add that in the description below. I've then gone in with some more of a deeper true red, so it's not too bluish. Now, with the eyes, capping it off with some liner, similar to the image, and I'm basically elevating where that huge lash kind of sits because I thought it would be easier for me to use the liner to kind of replicate that. And then I'm putting individuals over her lashes, as you can see. Very straightforward classic look. Actually, what I'll tell you now is at the end picture, I rolled up the hair with those clips you can see, and I started to clip them into place for the final image. Very simple. I think this is just a simple classic look, and I really remember when this actually came out, and I wish there was more of an actual response to this. But I've got some tea from the Baron. But anyway, I'll tell you that in another video. Alright guys, have a great one and stay watching.